In this video, I want to give a practical example for the topics of the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, I will put the link below in the description, so be sure to watch it. First of all, let's go to the concepts of class and object. To create a class, use the class keyword. Choose a class name. And then we write all the features of that class. Here I wrote a class named human and defined its attribute. When a variable is declared directly in a class, it is often referred to as a field, or attribute. Now let's go to create an object. To create an object from a class, we first write the name of the class, and then we write the name of the object we want to create, and then we use the keyword new, and again we write the name of that class, with parentheses and semicolons. We can access the features by writing the name of the object followed by a dot. We created an object that has all the features of the class it was created from. Keep in mind that we can create as many objects as we want from one class. The methods and features in a class are called class members. Constructors. A constructor is a special method that is used to initialize objects. The advantage of a constructor is that it is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for fields. Note that the constructor name must match the class name, and it cannot have a return type, like void or int. Also note that the constructor is called when the object is created. Constructors can also take parameters, which is used to initialize field. You can have as many parameters as you want. Look at this example. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel.